Let's learn about Magic Animate. And from the word itself, Magic Animate, it will animate anything that you've chosen onto your design. So for us to be able to get started with that, just simply click on to create a design. Then we're gonna go ahead and try to choose a template in here. For example, we'll do this your story. So we'll click onto that so that we'll get redirected onto the canvas. Now here onto the canvas, we're just gonna go ahead and try to add in anything in here. So just for a thing in here, we're gonna go ahead and try to click onto a template so that it would be easier for us. So let's wait for this one to load. Now, once you have added that, you could just go ahead and try to simply select onto the things that you want to animate, and then you should see the animate option in here. Now, we have gone ahead and already chosen the background in here. And as you can see here onto the animate feature or into the page animation, you should be able to see Magic Animate in here. So you could just go ahead and simply click onto that, and it will go ahead and try to apply an animation onto the chosen element onto your design. So as you can see, there are recommended styles that you could do. For example, the digital, we have for this, we have the elegant, energetic, or anything. So you could just choose onto the different things that you want to add. So for example, we want to add this, we're going to go ahead and try to click onto that, and your design has been animated. So you could just do a quick preview here onto the upper part to see how your design would look like. And then once you're already satisfied, you could go ahead and try to click onto download and choose a file type so that you could have this added onto your device. And that's just basically it onto using Magic Animate onto Canvas Magic Studio.